Hi guys, for today we will be unboxing this package. Raw materials natin for Therapy Clinic. And so let's start. Most of my materials, I order it from the Orange app. Alam nyo na yun guys. I think lahat naman ata ng mga starting small businesses dun talaga bumibili na since it's much accessible. Thank you Orange app. Sana bigyan mo ko lagi ng free shipping. For Therapy Clinic, we are always sold out, lalo na yung mga malalaki nating spray. I order this for restock. So far, maayos naman ang pagkakapack nila. Kung makikita nyo guys, it's very secure. Ito yung mga spray natin. Makikita nyo guys, ay, ba't parang... Mapapansin nyo guys, itong spray nozzle niya, parang mas maliit siya compared sa... This is our old nozzle, pero same supplier pa rin siya. And makikita nyo guys, parang pareho lang naman. Ito, ay... Pareho lang. Overthinker lang. Pareho lang pala. Sorry guys. My mistake. Erase. This is from the same supplier. This is a 250 ml white room spray bottle. Dahil nga, lagi tayong sold out. Lalo na yung mga sprays natin na green tea cucumber, plum blossom, calm lavender, and lily of the valley, and so on and so forth. Nauubos. Order na ka ng 100 pieces para hindi na tayo maubusan lagi. Kasi pag nagre-restock ako, laging kulang ng mga bottles. Kaya natatagalan. Hindi naman tayo kulang ng bottles, kulang naman tayo ng oils. It's either that or this. I wanted to update you guys and be transparent to you guys na this is how I run my small business, and sometimes masaya siya and you can buy a lot of raw materials and stuff like that, and you get to share your products to a lot of people, but at the same time, nandun yung mga hard times na you have to juggle kung ano talaga yung mas kailangan mo na raw materials, and as well as kung kailan sila dadating, mga anticipation ng big orders, dapat ready ka. Yun, those are the things that you need to take in considerations and factors in starting and managing your own small business, to really be able to know how to balance, you know, and juggle out your resources, financially, people, your time. I'm very excited to make this 250 ml room spray for you guys and sharing some behind the scenes as well. Dami nalalabas na reels, vlogs, and TikTok about how I run Therapy Clinic, my small business, and how I made sure that everything is okay. And how I make sure that what I make is what I love and what I make is what people need. I really wanted to make sure that what I make really has an impact to other people, and dapat talaga nakakatulong siya. It really does solve a problem of these people. I'm very excited to create more room sprays with you. And by the way guys, I'll be launching another room spray scent very soon. Anyway guys, if you have more concerns regarding our products, or you have questions, or you wanted to order at Therapy Clinic, or you can order here in our Instagram at Therapy Clinic, or Facebook at Therapy Clinic, or our TikTok. I'll make sure that I'm able to answer those questions. Bye!